keep my man dripping into cop jewelry.
Show some respect, dummy! Watch it, Hawk!
Hello?
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around here. Grove Street families ain't big no more. Seville Boulevard families and Temple Drive families are beefing and split with the Grove. Now we so busy, set tripping ballers and Vargos have taken over. So watch yourself out there.
Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for the heads up.
Don't mention it.
Straight from Canada. Yeah, that's the shit. You know about that happy farmer kid?
Hey man, what you want?
Seeing my homie. What's up with you?
Yeah, homie. Yeah, it's good to see you back.
No homie love? No hug?
Oh, for sure, my nigga. My bad. What's cracking with you?
Hey, man, what you strapped for?
Man, some pizza place keeps paying over our hit up, man. Shit is beautiful. Teach the owner a lesson. The fucking Grove Street. You down?
I'm always down.
Shit. Let's go, bitch. Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
Hey, old Reese still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy-ass motherfucker. He popped his membrane years ago. The way I let that old bootin' in my head.
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
Whatever. You got 5 minutes? I'll be cutting you like a DJ. So when you running off again?
I'm not. I'm thinking of staying.
Why?
My family, the homies is here.
When you set up
We were always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass or nothing. You still a buster to me.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, homie.
Yeah, don't mention it.
Sit yourself down, CJ. I'm still on top of my game.
But it's time for Daddy to play you some real music.
Your moms
man.
would be proud.
Stop, listen, and learn.
Get your groove on.
The King has
Hope you stick around longer this time.
You know something? I take it back. Old Reese still got it cracking. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. Looking too skinny, CJ. I wanna get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this, then I'm gonna take care of business.
Money, same difference.
What do you want? Enjoy, sir.
Give up the money. This a raid.
Ryder, not this again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel sorry for your dad.
Shit, you crazy. Let's get up out of here.
Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster. Oh, shit! Run!
This This pizza parlor's no pushover.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the Grove, motherfucker. Hop in, CJ. Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti, too. Later, homie.
So take heed and proceed with caution when he rhymes.
Hey, CJ, I taste your spit in that taco.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch out, fool.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch this,
fat
watch
boy.
this.
Look at. Look who's here. It's Running Man. What, you think you back on the set?
I told you that, bruh.
Your word don't mean shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers is rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood back.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, Pork Chop. Hey, wait up.
Ah, thought you hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on. It's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
I ain't frontin', y'all. My bluntin' ain't bluntin'. Let me take a quick smoke break, y'all.
Lager, the beer that brought the forest down. I drive an exotic imported
Watch for those rollers as I tag this up. There's another 2 baller tags in the hood. You go get them, and I'll keep the engine running.
Get glasses, Junior. Raise up, little bitch.
Do a lot of wild shit.
Gonna shoot me over $200, man.
Come on, let's cruise into ballers territory.
Come on, I gotta take a lead.
You hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another hood. What the fuck? This cat fool!
Don't blame me, blame yourself.
This is my barrio, cabron.
Glad to see you.
What's poppin'?
Are those Aaron
Tienes
speakers?
perdida?
Yeah, but I can't fade it, man.
So long, Chief.
Carl, quick, get in! Get us back to the hood, CJ.
Stupid ass.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kinda short, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with nothing but small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something. I'll catch up with you.